Okay, I'm going to make a video on the idle air control motor. You can see I got a whole bunch of these. I rebuild them, so I resurface the top of them because a lot of times they're corroded to make them like new, and then I clean them up and I spray in here to keep it from sticking. So I clean out all the gunk out of it, and this one's freed up because I already sprayed it with PB Blaster, and then I'm going to use gum out on these. And the problem with doing that is if you spray gum out in these right here, this right here is a stock O-ring. These O-rings right here from Honda, you can't buy them. And as soon as you use anything, I'm talking about PB Blaster will do it, WD-40, gum out, anything. This doesn't even withstand oil. So a lot of times you get from the PCV, you get oil inside here from the engine itself, from blow-by. You try to clean these out or you spray anything in here, you don't know, but sitting right here, this leaks through. And what'll happen is it'll get on this O-ring, and look, it's oversized now. So the minute you try to clean these or do anything, the O-ring's oversized. And these screws right here are a Torque Plus. It's Torque Plus 20. So it's a 20 Torque Plus, but you can see it doesn't even fit anymore. So what'll happen was the moment, let me try to get better lighting. It's a bit difficult. My lighting's not the greatest. Yeah, so you can kind of tell, yeah, this doesn't even sit right. So it'll expand inside here. It'll start leaking the moment you try to clean this. So what I did is, these are nitrile right here. It resists pretty much everything. It'll resist the gum out. It'll resist this. It'll resist most chemicals, I would say, even E85. But the temperature rating's low on it, so these are good, I think, till about like 240, 250. I could have got Vitin. The Vitin material has its drawbacks too, but it operates at a higher temperature. But this will work fine even for turbo, because this isn't being exposed to heat, because this is plastic. It's not going to get as, right here, it's still not going to get as hot, and the coolant temperature never goes over 240. But with this right here, you can see that I had these made right here. I made 200 of them, and they fit perfectly, just like OEM. It doesn't want to focus here. It works better when I zoom in. So if I do this and then I zoom in, it focuses a lot better. See, there we go. Now you can see it. All right. So you can see it fits perfect. But that's the problem with cleaning these. So now, since I got a bunch of these made, because you can't buy these seals from Honda, I have a bunch of them made. I'm gonna start selling them on eBay, and then I'm gonna start selling these idle air control motors, because I sling parts on the side. Like, that's what I do as a part-time job. I sling parts on the side. So this will be my A.R.C.H.L.Y.T.E O-ring kit, and when I sell these, these right here are OEM. They're just used. So these are used OEM, and then I clean them up. So it costs me money to clean these up and do all this. It costs me some money and time, but yeah, I sell them for $100 a piece. And these are factory right here. If you try to use aftermarket ones, they don't work. So I just spray in here, clean all this up. It takes me a lot of time. And then a new O-ring, and then I provide a second O-ring just in case this leaks or you ever need to take it apart. It comes with a second O-ring. But I'd like to show everybody that, because I'm sure people have done that, where they spray inside, they take this off, and then they go, oh my God, my O-rings. Yeah, it's useless. It expands and it destroys it the moment you spray anything in there besides soapy water. It's done. So what you could do is you could take it apart, take the O-ring out, but if you even get a drop on here, that thing's toast. All right, so that's my video.